In this video we start exploring the far north Queensland region with Will, 4 months after he was helping us rush to build Maurice and our canopy back in Perth. We have a close call with our drone in the rainforest while rock hopping to waterfalls, and spoil Will with a flooded car park to camp in, getting the full WET Tropics experience.
What's up?
Hello.
Hi.
Will, everyone Will.
Hi, how are ya?
Will is the reason we left 3 weeks late and not 3 months late for this
you were
trip.
gonna blame that on me then.
Will is the reason why we're still standing here today.
Yeah, and why all of this hasn't fallen apart yet. But
Yeah.
thank you, Will. Will's come to meet us in Cairns. We've got about 3 weeks to do Cairns, Daintree, Townsville, wherever we decide to go, I guess. Wherever the weather lets us go. Yeah, and he's got the hire bus.
The whip, oh gosh.
Will was meant to bring his own Prado over, but it just, was not going to work out. And we were going to do Cape York, not going to work out. So instead, we're going to have a great time doing Daintree, Atherton, Tablelands, all of that. So, but we've got to go to a bakery now. Will wants a jam donut. Sorry, I should have also added, we've just done Crystal Cascades
And Fairy Falls.
and Fairy Falls and had our first near-death experience with the drone. So the
right
drone,
above me as well.
yeah, I don't know if it was because we're in the middle of rainforest and the GPS signal meant there was no home point, so that it couldn't give us a low battery level warning. But it went straight to critically low battery and tried to land above the waterfall.
Hit a tree.
Yeah, hedged 2 trees, trimmed 2 trees.
Good landscaping.
And managed to land it in my hand without it.
Hit another tree as well.
Yeah, without it just plunging to its immediate watery death. So,
Stress.
but yeah, really just knocks you down a peg when you thought you were confident. So, like I said, we need to go.
Some really basic drone footage now because Matt's going to be too scared to fly it anyway.
Yeah, and of course I wasn't recording any of this, so you won't see it. But
Shame.
let's go to the bakery and celebrate and head for Townsville. How's life on the road, Will?
Reality. Car parks.
but it's free.
Exactly.
And wet.
Yeah. This is the legend, and that's the indicator over there, and there's not a lot of yellow, but that's not going to stop Will.
It's so big that you might need a car to get around. How are we getting around? That's a chick. That's a cassowary chick, I reckon.
Just the chompy sort.
Golden.
If you have a shotgun, don't think you shot it.
Any crocodiles? Happy man.
So after a much needed sunny day trip to Magnetic Island, cruising about on electric posties, spotting koalas and checking out the war ruins, we U-turn and head to Paluma Range National Park. We find the rock slides, spend a lot more time in the rainforest, get some dry nights around the fire, and finish with a visit to the country's tallest waterfall. Thanks for watching.